Hey guys, I'm Solat Gondal from Tech Expert, and this is my channel. Please subscribe it firstly and then go to this video. And this video topic is how to Chromecast your iPhone 4S on your Panasonic screen. And this is a simple trick. Take your Chromecast device and connect it to TV, okay? See this video till end? Goodbye. Hey guys, this is iPhone 4S and a dongle I have, and I'm gonna show you how to Chromecast your phone screen on the TV. Okay, this is the Anycast I have connected to the TV, and I'm gonna show you how to connect this with your TV. And this is disconnected right now. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to Chromecast your iPhone screen on your TV. Okay, hey guys, I'm opening the box and I have an iPhone, and I'm gonna show you that, and I'm gonna show you how to connect your TV with your phone. Okay, now this is gonna show you Wi-Fi. Okay, there is an Anycast. Okay, this is the password. Put this password in here. Write this. You can change this password in setting of Chromecast. Okay, this is gonna connect it now. Okay, now I'm gonna show you this. Okay, check your control center. Click AirPlay. There will be a device Anycast. Okay, it's gonna mirroring system means the phone screen. Okay, the phone screen. Okay, you're gonna see this is the done. And now, okay, yeah bitch, it's cool, pretty cool, huh? Your screen, your phone screen is on the TV. Oh, super cool.